Welcome to the Culture Hustle. I'm Mr. Bouquet, and on this channel, we aim to build a community of motivated and inspired entrepreneurs looking to grow their business through multiple streams of income. If that sounds like you, tune in. You know why? We're under attack. I'm here to let you know who's attacking us, who the opponent is, and how we can overcome all the obstacles they're trying to present to us. Let's go. As a minority entrepreneur, I'm sure we're all aware of the struggles that we have to go through on a daily basis, whether it's funding, whether it's mentorship, or anything like that. But there are some people out there who are concerned about us being successful. One of those groups and one of those websites that you need to go check out now is Hello Alice. Right now, though, Hello Alice is being sued. That's right, being sued for helping. You see, Hello Alice was actually established to help entrepreneurs like me and you be successful on a daily basis. Whether it's, like I say, through funding, grants, all that good stuff. All that's provided for you on Hello Alice's website. But like I said, unfortunately, there's some people out there that don't want to see you be successful. Those people are actually called the AFL, America First Legal. Does that sound familiar? It sounds familiar to me, but we're going to move on. The people that are running this group are actually called. And right now, they're suing Hello Alice and Progressive Insurance for offering a $25,000 grant to Black-owned businesses, claiming somehow this violates civil rights. Get out of here. Let's go. And the two people that are leading this push are Jonathan Miller and Stephen Mitchell. I'll let you Google them for your own facts. Go check them out. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. They're not only attacking Black-owned businesses, they're attacking any minority business they possibly can. This isn't the first time they've done this. Somehow this violates civil rights. Their civil rights. The majority civil rights. So if you're a veteran, Native American, Latino, and even part of the LGBT community, I need you to take this call to action serious. We can't let these people win. So here's your call to action. Right now, I need you to stop what you're doing. Go ahead and jump on the website, Hello Alice. Set up an account if you don't have one. It's easy. It'll take you about 5 minutes. At that point in time, what I want you to do is apply for some of this free money. We never know what's going to happen. So go ahead and apply for the money. Make sure you're in the right space and place. If you got your tax ID and you got some time to sit down and answer a few questions, you can go ahead and start applying for these grants. Let me show you what we're talking about. So here's your call to action. The first thing you need to do is log on to the Hello Alice website. Go ahead and register, set yourself up an account. If you don't have one, make sure you got your tax ID. We want to go to funding. As a matter of fact, let's walk you through it. Let's go.